So you've just joined a pirate crew. The bad news? You start at the very bottom. The good news? If being a pirate was a video game, here's exactly how you'd level up. First, the tutorial. Swab the deck, tie the knots, climb the rigging without falling in. Nobody respects the deck hand. But every ship runs on one. That's your first XP. New unlock, Ship's Cook. 1 cannon-sized pot, 40 hungry pirates, 0 recipes, burn it and you're overboard. Nail it and suddenly you're the most popular pirate on the ship. Boss fight number 1. The Storm. Waves like mountains, sails ripping loose. Hold the ropes, save the ship, don't let go. Survive this night, and the whole crew knows your name. Next quest, the Crow's Nest. Highest point on the ship, worst seasickness of your life. But spot the prize on the horizon before anyone else, and you level up. And then, the promotion. First mate, second in command. The captain's own spyglass in your hand. 1 step below the top of the ship, and everyone below you knows it. Now culls, boardings, treasure hauled aboard. Repeat, cannon smoke by day, counting gold by night. It never gets boring, and every doubloon is XP. Final boss, the legendary treasure. 1 faded map, 1 cursed island, 1 X. Dig past midnight, past doubt, past everything. Because whoever lifts that chest doesn't stay first mate for long. Level 50, Captain. The hat, the wheel, the ship, all yours. And that new recruit with the mop, that was you once. Captain's first order, subscribe or walk the plank.